Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on 4G calling, which is VoLTE, on Tesco Mobile in 2026. Now 4G calling allows you to make and receive the calls over the 4G network instead of the older networks. So this is going to give you a clear call quality and also lets you use mobile data while you are on the call. For that, first of all, simply check that your phone supports 4G calling. Most of the modern 4G or 5G smartphones support this feature. So since the UK's 3G network has been switched off, you may need VoLTE enabled to keep making the calls normally on some of the devices. Also make sure that the phone's software is up to date to the latest version, because some of the devices enable the 4G calling only after a software update. Now you need to open the settings of your phone. In your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find the option of network mobile or cellular if you are using iPhone. So in the mobile network option, you are going to see your SIM. So simply tap on the option of your SIM. Now inside your SIM, you are going to see the option of preferred network type. So as you can see, it is going to show you 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G. So when you tap on this option, you can now select 4G among the given options. So if you select the 5G, 4G, 3G and the 2G auto option, it is going to basically work for you. Like for 4G, it is going to work for you. So make sure that you select it, or if you find any toggle button, you just have to tap on that. So this way you will be able to turn on 4G calling VoLTE on a Tesco Mobile in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.